Okay, next question. The diagram below shows the life cycles of organisms A and B. Organisms A, let's study that now. There are 4 stages there. This stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. It's easy to see that this is the adult stage. If this is adult stage, remember alpha, right? So if this is adult stage, let's use a different color so we can all see. Alright, so that means this must be the egg, right? Eggs. This must be the larva. Okay, this must be the pupa, and this must be the adult. Adult. Let's erase this and rewrite this properly. This must be the adult, right? A-D-U-L-T. Alright, whereas life cycle of organism B has 3 stage, right? And this is it's quite easy to see that this is the adult, and these are the eggs, right? And this must be the larva, right? Here we know that it is a tadpole. So state 1 difference in the life cycle of the 2 organisms, right? So we can say quite easily that one difference in the life cycle of the organism. So we can easily say that organism A has a pupa stage, right? You can easily see that it has a pupa stage, but remember in science, when you compare, you must also mention what you're comparing with in the other organism. So organism A has a pupa stage, but organism B does not have a pupa stage. Okay, that's quite simple. Okay, this can be an answer because clearly organism A has a pupa stage, but organism B doesn't. Another possible answer would simply be organism A has a 4-stage life cycle. Okay, whereas organism B has a 3-stage life cycle. This can also be another difference in the 2 organisms. Okay, so either one will give you the mark. Now both organisms A and B lay eggs in water. Alright, state another similarity in the life cycle of the organism. So if you look at the similarity, both lay eggs in water. Another similarity will be, let's have a look. Look at the eggs, look at the larva, and look at the adult. Look at the eggs, look at the larva, and look at the adult. Okay, so another similarity is if you were to compare adult and young, right? Look at the adult here and look at the young here. Look at the adult here and look at the young here. They are not the same, isn't it? Alright, so another similarity would be that the adult stage, the adult of the organism, okay, the adult of the organism does not resemble its young. Okay, do you agree with me? Right, or you can also say the other way around, right? The young of the organism does not resemble its adult. Okay, or the young of the organism does not resemble the adult. Okay, so that's a similarity. Now let's look at C. Study the chart below, fill in A or B in the correct circle to show where the adult of organisms A and B belong to the chart. So this is a flowchart question. As you can see, there are many flowchart questions in science. Alright, so let's have a look. Organism, is it an insect? Yes. So are these insects? We know that organism A is an insect because it has 6 legs, okay, and 3 parts of the body. You can clearly see this is the head, second, and the third. Alright, so we know that organism A is an insect. Organism B is clearly not an insect. It has only 4 legs. Okay, so is it an insect? Yes, it should be A. A should be here. Am I right? It's very easy. Okay, let's look at the next one. B is clearly not an insect, so it should flow this way and it should fill up one of these 4 circles. So can it live in water? Yes or no. Can it live in water? Organism B, we know that yes, it can. Can it breathe through its skin? We know that this is an amphibian. The answer is yes, so this should be the answer here. Alright, okay, so the adult can breathe through the skin. Okay, frogs can breathe through its skin. We've covered this. Amphibians can breathe through the skin. So here we have the answer A and B. Alright, whether it's an omnivore, can it live without, can it live in water, it can't live in water, and all this is not relevant because now we've gotten the answer. Okay, thank you. If you don't understand, again, as usual, go to my website and ask.